Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login 8. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log in Goyard account on PC. To log into Goyard account, first open any web browser available on your PC. I am using Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar on the top and type in www.goyard.com, then press on enter. With that, you'll be taken to official website of Goyard. Now here you can select or choose your region by clicking on the country code that is given on the top. Mine is EU. With that, now here you can select your region. After this, now here click on the profile icon on the top. With this, here you'll be taken to log in and create an account page. Now you can see the login box on the left side. So first enter your email address that you have used to create your account on the given box. Then enter your correct password of your account on the given box. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, then click on Forgot Password option. With that, if you haven't created your account, then click on Create an Account option on the right side. After entering all your credentials, click on Login. With this, you'll be able to log into your Goyard account. This is how we can log into Goyard account on PC. This is it for tutorial everyone. Hope this tutorial was helpful to you all. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.